Doing a short trip here at the double waterfalls, trying to get some of these staging largemouth, smallmouth, and spotted bass. Let's see what happens. Starting off with a spinner bait, but I also got big 3-inch shiners with me. Got him. So, there we go. That didn't take long, guys. They are staging. Oh my. Yeah, he's full 2 pounds easily. Heck yeah. It took less than a minute, guys. That's all it took. A minute. This may be a good day. It's looking promising. Looking promising. Oh, I just had one. There he is. They are in the swift water too. I wouldn't have thought. So it'll be any day now then. Oh my. Hell yeah. Another 1.5 pound spot anyway. He's not 2, but it's a decent spot. These spots are big in the spring up here. For a small creek, they're decent. I don't mind catching spots at all. Many consider them a nuisance, but I don't when they're this size like this. I don't consider them a nuisance. There he is. All right, on the shiner. Smallest fish of the day, but it's still a full pound, 1.25 pounds. It's not a bad fish. Not bad, but spot number 3. All decent. They're all 1 pound or more. Oh, not bad at all. Got him. Another spotted. No smallies yet. And no largemouth yet. But I did get largemouth the other day. The smallmouth just haven't migrated up here yet. It's like I said, it's going to be about the 10th of March. So another 1.5 weeks before they really get up here, or at least a week. Man, number 4, all decent. All decent today, guys. Every one. He destroyed that shiner. It's dead. I don't know how many I brought, but I got well over a dozen left. Maybe 15. Go. Oh yes, right in between the 2 waterfalls, guys. And that is a largemouth. I am surprised he is in water moving that fast. It's crazy, especially in March. Not typical of a largemouth at all. God, guys, what a day. So far, so good anyway. Not bad. About £1.25, full pound. Not huge by any means, but none of the fish have been terrible. None of them have been giant. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. That's a big one. Oh man, he's 3 pounds. He is 3 pounds. That's a big spotted bass. Oh my gosh. Wowzers. Fish of the day, guys. Fish of the day, right in the hard part of the mouth. Now that's what I came for right there, these 3 pound tanks. Holy cow. That's what it's about right there. Look at that hoss. Heck yeah. What a beauty. There he is. Got him. Oh, another 3 pound fish, easily. This may be bigger. This is a largemouth. He's about 4. Holy hell, man. Whoa. That's a big old largemouth for a creek. Good God. Oh my Lord. This thing is huge. Just the belly on that thing. Oh my God. Wow. Guys, it's only 50 degrees, maybe 49, 50. And these fish are really active. I can't believe how active they are, honestly, for how cold it still is. And it's still getting in the low 30s at night. That's a big old belly, man. This thing is really fat. He's a full 3. But man, he is huge. His gut is just ginormous. Man. What a freaking tank.
Got him.
Not bad. Pound and a half anyway. I'll take him. Not bad. Man, that's probably like 8 fish already, guys. 8 or 9. 3 largemouth and about 6 spots. Man, in 1 hour. So I'm getting a fish about every 10 minutes on average. None of these have been real bad.
Got him.
In between the rapids, guys. Not a bad spotted either. Really decent. He's at full too. Guys, I'm using 20-pound line where I can just pull these fish up, because even with a dip net, it's almost impossible because you're fishing about 3 foot up in the air. I figure that's easier than having to reach down for every one of these fish. Actually, this fish is only about 1.5 pounds. Pretty decent though. Nice little spot. Not a bad fish at all.
Got him.
This one's only about 3/4 pound at the most. Maybe even only 2/3. Second smallest fish of the day. Not bad, though. Not terrible. That's at least 11 or 12 fish so far, guys. Oh, I got a bite. I got one last fish, maybe.
Yep, got him.
All right. One last fish to end the day with. We have a spotted bass, and it's a hell of a spotted bass. That's a nice one. Really pretty one. About 1.5 pounds. Nice note to end the day with there. Yes. Hang her up. Battery's about to go dead. It's 4 o'clock. What a beautiful spotted bass that one is. My Lord. Heck yeah. All right, guys. Stay tuned. It's about to really pick up around here.